For those of you who are ready to embark on a fitness journey or maybe pick your fitness journey back up, now that you feel confident with what you're doing in your fasting and feasting, we have the perfect course available for you. We have created a fasting, feasting, and fitness, or what I like to call our F3 Trifecta course, as a way to teach you how to start implementing fitness into your routine as an intermittent faster. So many of us have struggled with consistency with our fitness because we've approached it the wrong way. Fitness has often been looked at as the thing that we do to correct a mistake we've made in our nutrition. But we know better than that. We know that fitness is the thing that is really going to be the tool that we can utilize to help us age successfully. And that's the approach that we have taken in the F3 course. I want you to start using fitness as something that you're going to implement in your life to move your life forward. And I really want you to stop thinking about fitness as a way to punish your body for something that you did in your feast that wasn't so good. If this sounds like something that you're ready to embark on, all the information about our F3 course can be found down below.